Welcome back. In this video, we're going to make sure that the reload animation is working properly for our assault rifle. And that's because we tailored our reload animation so that we grab the clip back here behind the handle. That's where the clip is for the SMG, but for the assault rifle, the clip is in front. So we need to use the correct animation and make sure that we're grabbing the clip and everything is working functionally. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the C++ side. Let's go into shooter character.cpp. Now let's take a look at the grab clip function. Now there's a few things going on here. One of them is that we get our clip bone index by using the equipped weapons clip bone name. And so the magazine or clip on the weapon is going to have a name, and we have that name on the weapon class. So that's going to be something we're going to want to add to our data table so that when we switch the weapon, its bone name is correct. So first we're going to need to set that up. So let's take a look at weapon.h and search for clip bone name. And here we have clip bone name. This is going to be something we're going to want to set. So let's add an F name called clip bone name to our F weapon data table. So down at the very bottom, we're going to create an F name and call this clip bone name. We'll make it edit anywhere and blueprint read write. Now in weapon.cpp, we're going to go to on construction. And here in on construction, when we're getting our values from the data table, we're going to want to set the clip bone name. Now in weapon.h, if we search for clip bone name, we'll see that we created a getter but not a setter. So let's create a setter here. So force inline void set clip bone name. It's going to take an F name called name, and we're going to set clip bone name equal to this name. So in weapon.cpp, we can call set clip bone name, and we're going to set that to weapon data row clip bone name. Now we just need to set this in the data table. So let's go ahead and compile this and set it in the editor. All right, so we've compiled. Now I'm going to open weapon data, and here in weapon data, we should now have an F name called clip bone name. Now we need to set this to the correct value. Now for Bellica guns, let's browse to the asset and double click on that. And for the skeleton, let's search for clip. And here's the bone, it's called SMG clip, all lowercase with an underscore. So that's the bone name for the SMG. So we're going to set that here. It's going to be SMG clip. Now for the assault rifle, let's go ahead and find that. So I'm going to browse to this asset, double click on that, and here in the skeleton tree, I see B gun mag. Now we can move this just to make sure that it's the clip, and of course it is. So it's B underscore gun mag, all lowercase. So I'm going to go ahead and put that, B underscore gun underscore mag. So now we have our bone name set correctly here. Okay, now we need to make sure we have an animation in our reload montage. So if we go to character and animations, and we look for our reload montage and open that up, we'll see that we have reload SMG and equip. Those are the two montage sections. We also want a reload assault rifle animation. So let's go ahead and find an animation. I'm going to go into Anim Starter Pack and type in reload, and we have reload rifle iron sights. Now this is the reload animation that we used and retargeted, only we went ahead and changed it by having Bellica grab the clip a little bit behind the handle. So let's go ahead and retarget this animation once more by right-clicking Reload Rifle Iron Sights, Retarget Anim Assets, duplicate enemy assets and retarget, and select Bellica, retarget, and we have our reload rifle iron sights. Let's double click and let's just see what this looks like if we go ahead and scroll through. And Bellica is grabbing at the location approximately that she should be grabbing. Okay, so I'm going to save that, and we're going to move this into the _game/animations folder and choose move here. Okay, so all that's left is to make sure that we play the correct montage section based on the weapon type. We're going to take care of that in the next video, so we'll see you then.